Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Betana. We have seen till question number 3, the previous period. Now, question number 4. What made the woman in the control center look at the narrator strangely? Question again. What made the woman in the control center look at the narrator strangely? The woman in the control center looked at the narrator strangely because the narrator asked her about the black aeroplane and she saw no one except the narrators in the sky during the storm. She could not see anything in the sky except narrator in the sky during storm. Even the radar showed only the narrator's plane that night in the sky. Radar only showing that narrator's aeroplane only that night in the sky. So the woman remained in surprise, and that is why she saw or looked towards narrator strangely, remained in surprise that only one plane was their narrator's plane, and how narrator asked her about another plane or pilot. Number 5. Who do you think helped the narrator to reach safely? Discuss this among yourselves and give reason for your answer. According to you, who helped to reach safely? It is very difficult to say about the unknown pilot who helped the narrator. It is difficult or very difficult to say who helped unknown pilot, but probably it was the narrator himself that helped him to overcome the fear in the storm, as no other plane was seen in the radar except the narrator's Dakota plane. But probably, maybe, it was narrator himself who come this particular confidence, who overcome from the fear, and no other plane was seen in the there are things except the narrator Decon plane. In that fearsome situation, he might have been hallucinating. He himself was good pilot and brave enough to help himself and land safely. See the answer again. It is very difficult to say about the unknown pilot who helped the narrator, but probably maybe happened like this, that it was the narrator himself that helped him to overcome from the fear in the storm, as no other plane was seen in the radar except the narrator's plane. When the woman said that your plane only was there, not other plane, at that time the narrator thought like this, that he himself helped him become strong, and without changing or changes his decision, he was able to overcome from this fear. Looking like this, that, and in the end he helped himself to land safely. That was what he thought, what he did according to it. On right side, thinking about language, page number 40. Study the sentence given below. See, they look like black mountain. First, inside the clouds, everything was suddenly black. In the black clouds near me, I saw another aeroplane. B. The strange black aeroplane was there. The word black in the sentence A and C refers to the very darkest color, but in B and D it means without light, with no light. The words, same word used. First black, see. Inside the clouds everything was suddenly black. In this also black. In the black clouds, black also there, and the strange black aeroplane. But if you see, then refer, that is different. See, in sentence number A and C refer to the very dark. A and C, see, the look like black mountain means very dark. In the black clouds, that means very dark. And if you see B and D, then see, inside the clouds everything was suddenly black. That means it was used for the light and with no light, without light or no light. So same word, but if you see its difference, then it refers for the different things. So that doesn't mean that one word, that means only one meaning is there. That also we should keep in mind. In A and C and B and D you observe, then you realize that used for in different way. What we have to observe, what we have to done. See another point next to it. Black has a variety of meaning in different contexts. For example, I prefer black tea means I prefer tea without milk. Black tea. With increasing pollution, the future of the world is black means with increasing pollution, the future of the world is very depressing without hope. See, what say, what see its meaning, how it is used, then we realize in the real sense. Otherwise, it is difficult to observe. If we know the only one meaning, we cannot understand it properly. That also we should keep in mind. Now, see in right side. Now try to guess the meaning of the word black in the sentence given below. Check the meaning in the dictionary and find out whether you have guessed right or not. What have to do in this instruction again? Now try to guess the meaning of the word black in the sentence given below. Check the meaning in dictionary and find out whether you have guessed right or not. That also we should keep in mind. Clear? That also we should keep in mind. Again, you have to guess the meaning of the word black. Check the meaning with the dictionary and you have observed or what you have guessed is correct or not. That you have to check it. See, go and have a bath. Your hands and face are absolutely black. See the question again. Go and have a bath. Your hands and face are absolutely black. The meaning of the black in the sentence is that face and hands are dark because of dust and dirt. Your hands are dark in the sense that face and hands are dark because of dust and dirt, means become dirty. Black means here due to the dust and dirt, hands become dirty. So black is used for here dirty. Number 2, the taxi driver gave Ratan a black look as he crossed the road when the traffic light was green. When the traffic light was green. Again, the taxi driver gave Ratan a black look as he crossed the road when the traffic light was green. See, here black refers to the angry look. Black look in the sense angry look. When another person disturb or creating problem, we see in this way, it is called also black look. So it is also word same black but meaning somehow different. That also we should keep in mind. Number 3. Here black refer to the angry look. Okay. The bombardment of Hiroshima is one of the blackest crime against humanity. The bombardment of Hiroshima is one of the blackest, superlative degree, blackest crime against humanity. As you know, America has thrown the atom bomb on 2 cities of Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. This bombardment was against humanity. Blackest crime against humanity. Here black means blackest referred to the darkest and cruelest crime against humanity. Darkest and cruelest crime against humanity. Before that, not any country threw the atom bombs, and that is why it creates large destructions. That is why using these particular words, blackest, darkest and cruelest, who has no pity, can do that type of act. That is why written that blackest, one of the blackest crime refer to the darkest and cruelest crime against humanity. Number 4, very few people enjoy Harold Pinter's black comedy. Black referred to the dark and gloomy comedy. Black referred to the dark and gloomy, creating tension. That type of gloomy comedy is there. Comedy is also, as you know, different types. So here black is also used in another way. Here number 5. See, sometimes, see on page number next. Here black refer to the dark and gloomy. See on new page, left side. Sometimes shopkeepers store essential goods to create false scarcity and then sell these in black. See. Sometimes shopkeepers store essential goods to create false scarcity and then sell these in black. See. To create artificial shortage, shopkeeper taking the things together, collecting stock and creating artificial scarcity and then selling in black, taking higher money and selling. The meaning of black in this sentence is that the shopkeeper sells the described goods at a higher price. That is why telling black money, black business, which is not, as you know, here concerned with the shopkeeper collecting the money, collecting the things, sorry, and create artificial scarcity, and later on selling this particular goods by taking higher price. It is calling black. Next, villagers had beaten the criminal black and blue. Villagers had beaten the criminal black and blue. See the meaning? Here black means that the criminal suffered excessive beating at the hands of the villagers. Means too much beating. Villagers had beaten mercilessly, cruelly to the shopkeeper or criminal, what you call it. Villagers had beaten the criminal black and blue, very high. Observing criminals, seeing criminals, villagers has beaten cruelly without taking pity. They beaten criminal cruelly without keeping its feeling towards him, without keeping feelings towards him. Villagers beaten criminal cruelly. Now see, look at this sentence taken from the lesson you have just read. Observe the lesson which you have just read. The story of Bots. First, that is about seagull. And second, that is about black aeroplane. Both very, very important and teaching us the philosophy of life. It shows that particular story teaches us higher philosophy of life, that we should not afraid to start or to begin anyone. First, then what happens if we remain fear and cannot start any learning or work? Then what will happen? When can we learn? Our time passes in this way. Time and tide wait for none. We should keep in mind. At the right time we should learn. Not learning is not proper. How many days we remain far away from learning? Not today, then tomorrow we will have to learn. Then why not today? Collecting the strands. And first time then naturally looking somehow hard or do not have experience. That is why you are afraid. But that doesn't mean that we do not start. If we do not start or not try to learn anything, then what can we do? How can we earn money? How can we satisfy our needs? How can we get food? What happens? We'll have to suffer. And later on we learn. It is better that start learning, showing that type of courage, like young ones of the seagull showing courage, as you know, become hungry then. Earlier on, parents explain, not understood. Family member explain, not understood. But too much hungry then. It made its effort and succeeding. If you try, if you keep your efforts continue, then naturally you will learn, getting expected result. But you should not leave the effort. First time we have seen that it applied to human being also. That doesn't mean that we should not try. We should try properly, we should try clearly, and we should learn it properly so that it realizes. If we do not try, then we cannot learn. So both the lesson parts teaching us properly. Second part also, as you know, the writers, pilots, firm decision and his risk, as you know, made him bold. Even though storm was there, even though fuel was less, he did not leave his effort, and he succeeded in landing his plane safely also. That shows that we should always keep hope and try our best. That is the only one way to save our life. See here, look at this sentence taken from the lessons you have just read. I was flying my old Dakota aeroplane. The young seagull has been afraid to fly with them. In the first sentence, the narrator was controlling an aircraft in the air. I was flying my old Dakota aeroplane. Means keeping control. Aircraft in the air. In the second sentence, the seagull was afraid to move through the air using its wings. Afraid to fly in a proper way. See. Match the phrases given under column A with their meanings given under column B. Have to match. Last particular topic, last particular point in this. See, fly a flag. Display a flag on a long pole. Display, showing a flag on the long pole. That is called fly a flag. Fly into red. E coming becomes suddenly very angry. Fly into red. Red means anger. Sometimes persons become angry or very angry suddenly, unexpectedly. That is called fly into red. Fly along. Move quickly, suddenly. Fly along. Move quickly or suddenly, that is particular. Fly high. Be successful. Fly high. Be successful. That is what we keep expectations, what we learn, what we have to perform in this particular way. And E becomes fly the coop, that means D, escape from the place. Fly the coop, escape from the place, run away from the place. That is what you call it as fly the coop. See, all 5 words are there. You see in aside, first fly coming, fly a flag, then different meaning, into the wreck, fly into the wreck different, fly along different, fly high different, and fly the coop, that is also different. So that means only fly, with fly another words coming, then different meaning is there. That also we should keep in mind. Other words coming together. That is why this particular example given. Clear? So, what we learn from this story, we must learn it properly and we must think it properly so that we realize it in a proper way. Clear? That is the end of this lecture and lesson also. You should write this one time in your book, this question answer, match A with B, everything what is given, what I have explained, one time and read 3 times. Clear? That brings the end of this lecture as well as lesson number 3. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.